tutorials videos? Support us by like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get all new videos. Hello everybody, today is a new tutorial of Essential Training Photoshop 2020 by LearnHigh. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove that fence. First we have to unlock the photo, then duplicate it in order if you need it. Then you have to create empty layer, transparent, and choose brush from here and start to select by make one point, then press shift and make another point. Click here, then press the shift and press another time by mouse. You can click and press shift, then click again. Click, press shift and click again. Press, click shift again. You can repeat it until you finish all. You can make it fast. When you work, you should train yourself to work more faster. Then you have to press command if you are using MacBook, or if you are using Windows, you have to press Control and select the layer. Then you have to select the copy and go to Edit and choose Contact Aware Fill. You can see Photoshop is working. Here Photoshop already clear all fence from the photo. You have to choose new layer and press OK and deselect and remove the selection from layer 1. You can see already gone, no fence anymore. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos, please support us by like the video and subscribe the channel and turn on the notification bell to get all new videos.